Hi, my name is Laurel Williams, and I am the Invasive Species Education and Outreach Program Manager at the Finger Lakes Partnership for Regional Invasive Species Management, otherwise known as the Finger Lakes PRISM. We are located at the Finger Lakes Institute at Hobart and William Smith Colleges in Geneva, New York, right on top of Seneca Lake. Are you looking for something fun to do this summer? Become a citizen scientist with our Trail Survey program, where you get to look for terrestrial invasive species anywhere you want, any trail you want in the Finger Lakes region. Our Trail Survey program for the 2026 season is going to run from April 1st to September 30th. Throughout that time period, we're going to have 3 different virtual trainings as well as many different in-person workshops with partner organizations across the region. At the virtual trainings, you're going to have the opportunity to learn about the terrestrial invasive species. We are asking you to identify how to identify them and how to use Survey 123 to record your detection. At the in-person workshops, you have the opportunity to build community as well as look for these terrestrial invasive species, learn how to record them, and make a difference as a citizen scientist. You can register for the 2026 Trail Survey program at our website, on any of our social media platforms, or at the link down below. Become a citizen scientist today for the Finger Lakes region. We'll see you on the trails.